As the sun rises, Brunei's mosques awaken. Reflections shimmer on serene courtyard pools. A moment of stillness before the city awakens. Along winding rivers, village life begins. Boats glide silently, carrying early risers. The rhythm of life flows with the river's current. Markets hum with the energy of a new day. Vibrant colors and fragrant aromas surround travelers. Each gesture tells a story of tradition and care. Sunlight filters through the dense Brunei canopy.
Leaves glisten as mist drifts between ancient trees.
The forest whispers secrets of timeless life. Waterfalls cascade with gentle power. Nature's symphony echoes in every drop. A moment of stillness to breathe and reflect. Smiles are universal in Brunei's villages.
Connections are made beyond words.
Daily life flows with harmony and warmth. As day ends, river homes float in golden reflection. The calm waters mirror the sky's warm hues. Evening settles softly over this quiet corner of Brunei. Hidden trails reveal secrets of the forest. Every step uncovers a new story of life.
The forest whispers its ancient wisdom. Sunset paints Brunei's hills in vibrant hues.
Clouds drift lazily as colors deepen.
Day fades, leaving memories of light and peace.
As night falls, Brunei's gentle glow comes alive. Lanterns sway, casting patterns of warmth and welcome.
The day ends in quiet celebration, a gentle Brunei night.